Today we've got another first class example 2017 Ford Transit Custom. This one's the 2 litre Eco Blue, so Euro 6, which means it's low emission zone compliant. Covered only 42,000 miles this van. One owner from new, full service history, supplied with a fresh service including a new timing belt. The van's in absolutely immaculate condition, both inside and out. Short wheelbase model. This one has rear parking sensors fitted. Bodywork's all in exceptional order. 2 keys supplied with this van. Just been MOT'd for a full year as well. Super clean and tidy in here. Perfect ply lining as well. It's a great load space in these vans. Just 42,000, just turned 42,000 miles from new. One owner with full service history. So you can see there, it's super clean and tidy. All these vans come with a great spec now. You get electric windows, central locking, Bluetooth telephone, steering wheel controls, 6-speed manual gearbox. They're very economical vans these now as well. And Euro 6, so low emission zone compliant. For any more details or to arrange a viewing, please contact us on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again.